Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vidisha's Creations. In last some video, we have learned different type of things. Like in first video, we have learned basically that was the introduction video. After that, we have learned some motif, important motif, and then some jewelry part. Now we will focus on the face because mural art face is totally different from others. So today we will focus on the face only. So let's start. Basic materials which required, this is only eraser and pencil. You can use any pencil, like if you want to use charcoal pencil, then you can use this pencil. If you want to use some shading pencils, then you can use shading pencils. I am using this 2B pencil. Okay, so let's start. See, as you know, the face required first thing, which is a circle like this. Okay, this is the basic step to draw any face, not about Kerala mural. This is the any face you require. Just yeah, now it's okay. Okay, now just you need to divide this whole portion into 3 parts. 1 and 2. Okay, and after that you can draw little small line over here. Now you need to draw one line in the center of this oval shape. This is the method to draw any face. Okay, so if you want to make any face, if you want to sketch any face, then you can follow this step only. Now I have all the lines and circle. Now just I will mark here and one mark here. I think you can see. Yes, okay, see, both the eyes will be same. So just I am marking here, I am marking here. If you are beginner, then you can measure the eyes. Suppose this is 1.7 and this is 1.7. okay, this is 1.5. I am making 1.7. okay, now you have to make one line here. Okay, now just make it like this. Got it? One line over here and just draw the eyebrow portion like this. Easy? Okay, now okay, wait, this is like this. Now you need to draw one line here. Okay, and this is the nose proportion. Okay, so just you can draw line like this. Okay, and just draw like this. This is the nose. This is rough sketching. Okay, after that you need to draw the mouth portion. Just you need to take half centimeter, only half centimeter of the gap, even less than half centimeter gap, and just mark it here. Okay, and now just draw. Okay, for the eye portion, this is that, just draw the lines over here. Okay, now the mouth portion will start from there. Just mark here and just like this and like this. Sorry, I will tell you again. See, this is the marking. Okay, it's always start from there. Okay, always start from there. So just like this. Okay, this is the center line like this. Okay, this is the lips portion. Now the Kerala mural eyes are totally different, so you need to trace this line like this. Okay, just make it little darker, the eyebrow portion first. This is the face study, because without this study you cannot trace the Kerala mural design. So first I am focusing the very small things and very small techniques to you, because if you will be able to draw all these things, then you can draw any Kerala mural painting. That's why I am teaching you all the techniques. Okay, just make it like this and just like this. Now it's done. Now where will be your ear? So that ear will be from here, okay, and just it will come like this, and it will come like this, okay. After that, just you need to make it proportion like this. You can, it is little tedha, so you can make it like this, okay. This should be ear portion. This is normal face. Now this is ear, so you can make it straight like this. It will be easy, I think, with to you. Just make it, don't make it curvy, just make it straight. Now it is easy, okay. After that, just make ear portion like this, 1 and 2, okay. Because in Kerala mural everything is with jewelries and all that, because this is the face, so she's carrying also some jewelries. So you can start here, okay, and one line here, and just you need to make again same process like this. Because this is the sorry sometimes it happens. Okay, now you can draw one circle, okay, again. And you can draw one circle here. Okay, just make it double. Okay, now I am making both the side at the same time, then you can understand easily, okay. Now just draw one circle. Okay, and just draw some lines. Got it? Now this is the ear portion. This is the face. Now this is the face study of Kerala mural art, okay. You can put one bindi. This is typical Kerala mural face. This is typical Kerala mural face. This is the shading and sketching portion first. So just you need to do some more practice. Okay. So what is the difference between the other eye form and from the Kerala mural? So see, normal eyes should like this much, okay. In the Kerala mural, this line should be like this, and it is very sharp. This is the difference between, okay. Now you can okay. Now a little bit side portion. This is the front face. Now I'll teach you a little bit of side face, like see, again you need to draw one oval, okay, this one. See, when we draw front portion, then we will draw center line here, but right now I need to draw a little bit side portion, so I am drawing my line here, okay, because my face is little bit of slanted. So I will, you can draw here, okay. Okay, so let's start again. You have to divide all the circle in 3 parts, okay, got it. Okay, now the eye portion should be here, okay. See the difference. This is totally pointed, but this is little hidden because it's a side portion. Okay, again this is the eyebrow portion, so this is like this. Got it? Again you need to draw nose, so it will come here. Now nose is also little bit this is visible and this is little bit hidden, so nose is the same. So you need to draw one line here and like this. It is more and it is less. And got it? Now again you need to draw the face, so it is bigger. Sorry. First I need to draw here. This is the point, okay? This is bigger and this is small because this much, okay? This is the center line. Again the same face is like this, okay? So again here also just draw the eyeball. Got it? Now you can make it like this, then you can understand easily. Got it? Now the ear portion, ear will be little bit of visible and second ear will be here, okay? After that just you need to make the okay, this is the face because the oval circle will be the base only. After that you need to make the pattern and then the shape, okay? So 1 and 2, again just got it? Again this is the neck portion, we will discuss it later, and just you can draw got it? This is one face, okay, and this is second face. This is very important part of Kerala mural, so you need to do some more practice, okay? After that you can make one more design like any face. Suppose if you want to draw a side face, then you can do it like this. Suppose this is your circle, again you need to do oval shape. This is slanted size, this is front, and this is totally side, okay? Just do it. Make the center part, okay? Now this is the eye. Okay, wait. One thing is left over here. Just you need to make like this, okay? And make bindi. Okay, so you can make it like this. You can draw one line here, then it will be easy to paint this thing, okay? Now the ear will come, it is very big, so I am making this small. Now you need to make like this, and just you need to make nose. Just you can twist the line like this. Okay, this is the face, very simple. Now you have to trace the ear portion. So ear always comes between eye and nose, so you can draw your ear here. Again you can make jewelry and all. Okay, this is the side portion, you can make like this. Okay, so today you have learned, oh sorry, it is not visible. Okay, I'm doing it again. I have done the circle like this, just I place the design portion. Okay, eyebrow portion is like this. Okay, just draw the eye portion. Eye should be like this. Ear comes always between eyes and nose, so you can draw the nose portion. Okay, this way. Again you can draw jewelry here like that. Okay, so this is the face. So today you have learned how to draw Kerala mirror face, and it is very important because that faces, or see the thickness, the motai, that the thing of broadness is almost same. So just make this thing, just do some practice, and after this we will start, we will do some hand posture, and after that we will start the coloring portion. And that is very important because I think all these things are very much quantity. Right now you have so much quantity for the practice work, so you can make you can start the practice. Okay, so let's start practice. Okay, so till then, take care, see you in the next episode. Bye.